Hello dear students, now we are going to get a start from the day onward. The next topic of ours is the reported speech. And there are two ways to report the speech, direct and indirect. Okay, the actual words or speech made by the speaker may be reported just like that. Some examples are there, you can see. His father said to me, "You look unwell." This is reporting verb and this is reported speech. In next example, Seema asked Reema, "Why are you running so fast?" In all the above sentences, the actual words of the speaker have been reported within inverted commas. You can see here the inverted commas without doing any change. This method of reporting is called direct speech or direct narration. Okay students, indirect speech और narration दोनों ही कह सकते हैं हम. When the actual words of a speaker are not reported as they are, but only the substance of those words which some changes is reported, the speech is said to be in inverted commas. For example, he said to me, "You are a good girl." What is that? He said to me, "You are a good girl." And if it is changed in indirect, the solution will be, "He told me that I was a good girl." Next, Ram says, comma, inverted comma, "I am feeling very hungry." If it is changed, Ram says that he is feeling very hungry. The study of above examples and notes the difference that the words of the speaker are not reported exactly the same as they were, but there are some changes. This is why of narration is called direct speech or indirect narration. Okay students, now we are going to know the differences between direct and indirect. There are some differences. You can see here there are some points. Reported speech or the actual words. This is point number 1. Reported speech or the actual words of the speaker are put within inverted commas, while in the indirect narration no inverted commas are used. You can see here. Okay, and in these examples you can see this. A comma is used to separate reporting verb and the words of the speaker in direct narration, while no such comma is used in indirect narration. You can see here in the examples. Okay, the direct narration, the first word of the speaker's speech is written in capital, while no such capital letter is used in direct narration except the very first letter of the sentence. All types of sentences like assertive sentences, interrogative sentences, exclamatory sentences, imperative may be a part of the speaker's speech, while no mark showing the difference of the sentence except full stop is used in indirect narration. The parts of a sentence in the direct narration, you can see here, I just have already told you, this is called reporting verb, and this part within inverted commas is called reported speech. It is to be noted that reported verb may be in the later part or in the middle part of the sentences as well. For example, "I will not take milk," replied the child. "Where had you gone?" asked my father. Comma, inverted comma, "it is time to study." So the verb or the part which is outside the inverted commas is said to be the reporting verb. In the above sentences, the portions in bold are reporting verb. Reported speech, the portion of the sentences which tells the exact words of the speaker or which is inside the inverted commas, is said to be the reported speech. Okay, students, now we are going to know about the general rules of the direct speech into indirect speech. Okay, now you are watching some sentences here. He said to me, comma, inverted comma, are you free now? Mark of interrogation, close inverted comma. Next sentence is, he said to me, why are you so upset? This speech is also in inverted comma. You are watching here. And to change this and to remove this inverted comma, to change this now, there are required some rules. Now I am going to tell you the rules. Now you are going to note down the rules, how to change and what are the general rules for to change direct from direct to indirect. We have used some conjunctions like what, why, if, that, whether to introduce the reported speech. Now the pronouns of the reported speech have been changed. Next point is the reporting verb has been changed. Next point is the tenses of the reported speech have been changed, dear students. Next is the adverb now, just like that now, and other adverbs will be changed according to the table. After that I will give you the table in the next video and you will learn that those table and note in your fair notebook. These rules also have to you note in your fair notebook. The reported speech is changed into assertive sentence. The reporting verb has been changed, but note that its sentence is its tense is never changed. Okay. Next is all the indirect sentences have been changed into assertive sentences. Only full stop, dear students. There is full stop has been used at the end of the sentence. Question mark just like that, exclamatory marks just like that have been removed. Okay. So next day in next video we will move forward. Okay. Thank you. And note this work in your fair notebook. Okay, this is your next topic in grammar. Okay.